When it comes to citing sources, there are several different style guides out there. A style guide dictates such things as how your paper should be formatted, whether it has a cover page, how to format in-text citations and reference list citations. And these rules will differ based on the style guide you are required to use. APA is the preferred style guide for most of the faculty at SPS. And since this webinar was developed specifically with CUNY SPS students like you in mind, we are focusing only on the APA method. If your professor does not specify which guide they want you to use, please be sure to ask at the start of the semester. APA stands for the American Psychological Association, but the guide itself is used in a variety of disciplines, and that includes the social and behavioral sciences, natural sciences, nursing, communications, education, business, and engineering are all some other fields that require APA style citations.